Hey, hi everyone, welcome to Fresh Learning Academy. I have already shared a video on the CAT official notification which has been already declared. तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे वो 10 FAQs के बारे में, frequently asked questions के बारे में, उन doubts के बारे में जो आपके मन में है कॉमन एडमिशन टेस्ट यानी कि कैट को लेकर. सो व्हेन देयर इज अ डाउट, कहावत है लीव इट आउट, बट इन दिस presentation, in this video, we will clear all the doubts. So when there is a doubt, don't leave it out and check it here on Fresh Learning Academy. So let's get started. So let us talk about all those frequently asked questions which are related to CAT 2020 exam pattern. So welcome to Fresh Learning Academy, a place where learning never stops. So the first question is, how many times is CAT exam conducted in a year? Answer is very simple, as many of you already know about it. But those who don't know about this, CAT exam is conducted only once in a year, either on the last Sunday of November or first Sunday of December. CAT 2019 was held on November 24th, but CAT 2020 is expected to be held on November 29th. So now the question is, how many sections are there in CAT exam? So the answer is, CAT question paper is divided into three sections. The first section is verbal ability and reading comprehension, which is known as VARC. Section 2 is based on data interpretation and logical reasoning, also known as DILR. And the third one is QA, which is known as quantitative aptitude. So basically there are three sections in CAT exam. Frequently asked question, does CAT exam have negative marking? So the answer is yes. CAT exam has negative marking of -1 for each wrong answer. So be careful. Can I bring a calculator to the exam center? The answer is no. Candidates are not allowed to carry a calculator or any other electronic gadgets to the exam center, because every candidate will have their own computer system, will have an on-screen calculator. So use them, don't carry them. Now the question is related to multiple choice question. How many MCQs and non-MCQs will be there in CAT 2020? So the answer is, CAT 2020 is expected to have 72 MCQ and 28 non-MCQ question. Remember, I said expected. Hey, what is the sectional time limit in CAT exam? Do you know this? Yes, I know. The sectional time limit of CAT exam is 60 minutes for general category students and 80 minutes for PWD category students. Got it? Hey, can you tell me that? Can I answer the question as per my choice? The answer is no. The candidates will have to follow the chronology of the question paper. There will be no option to answer the question as per your own choice. Bad luck. How much marks will be deducted if I skip a question in CAT paper? The answer is, there is no deduction of marks for questions not attempted. You can't carry calculator, but do you think that you'll be able to carry your watch for the exam just to show off? The answer is no. The candidates are not allowed to carry watch to the exam hall. Each candidate's computer system will have an on-screen timer to help them keep a check on the time. So please keep your Apple Watch at your home. Will CAT 2020 question paper of the first slot be different from that of the second one? The answer is yes, definitely. So were you planning to cheat? The question papers of both slots can be slightly different in difficulty level. Hey, listen, can you tell me which CAT question paper is tougher, the slot 1 or slot 2? The answer is, either of the question paper can turn out to be tougher. There is no pattern or history suggesting that the question paper of slot 1 is always tougher than slot 2 or vice versa. So that is your luck.